Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are a person that spends time in a lab, whether it's for an IV or a needle in the arm, this might be something that you would find useful, maybe. I donate plasma twice a week, and the lab is usually cold, so I want to bring a sweater or a sweatshirt. And I prefer a sweatshirt just because it's more comfortable, but I don't like taking things off over my head, especially in a place like that. I would like to keep it on and keep my body warm. So the only other thing I could come up with is to put a zipper in the sleeve. Now, a zipper in the sleeve is not groundbreaking or really unusual, but I feel like this would help me a lot. And so I thought about it for a little while. And normally I'm the kind of person that thinks over things for weeks, months, or years. It all plays out in my head, how it would work, what could go wrong, assume no one would find value in it, and then put it aside. And I do that with a lot of ideas because I have a lot of ideas. But I'm trying to step out of that. And when I have an idea, I just want to work on it and see what happens. And this is one of those things. I didn't spend too much time thinking about it, but I did spend enough time to know that my first shot was not going to work just because I know the products I'm working with. All that to say, I was deciding on whether I should use an invisible zipper or a regular zipper. And I didn't want to do a regular because I felt like you would be able to see the zipper even when it's closed. So I wanted to do an invisible, but I knew an invisible zipper is harder to zip. And so I knew that would be a problem, but we're going to do it anyway. First time on camera. And so I'm just testing it here. So I pinned in this zipper and I regret putting this color in. I didn't have the exact color, but when I got to the lab and I used it, I felt like when I opened it, because my zipper didn't match, it was almost like showing your granny whites or something. And so I was really embarrassed that my zipper didn't match my jacket or my sweatshirt, but whatever. So, as I suspected, I unzipped it. It worked really well for that. But when it came time to zip it up again, I was not able to because zippers are just hard. Invisible zippers are hard to zip. And because the jacket is stretchy and there's nothing to counter the movement of zipping it. You would just pull the side of your sweatshirt up. That was what I was thinking, but because I never move on my ideas, I just wanted to ignore the fact that I already knew it and just try it because I could be wrong. And so I put it in, tried it out, and when I was finished with the donation, I went to zip it up and I couldn't, which is fine. I got to my car and I zipped it up in the car. And if it doesn't work perfectly, then that's okay. I'll just go to my car and zip it up. Not a big deal. But I did want to just test it here and show you guys what it looks like and how it worked out. Now, I did have a roll of zipper that I could have used on here that was pink, not this coral color, but pink, and it probably wouldn't have felt like a showing granny whites while you're, in the lab. But that it I wanted an invisible zipper, and the zipper pull on the regular zipper was actually like big, and there were flowers or hearts or whatever. It's decorative, and I just want it to be invisible. I didn't want people to notice that I have a zipper in my jacket. So I decided on this one, and you'll see that when it goes in, you can't tell it's in unless you look at the zipper pull. And there is a little mistake towards the cuff, not a big deal. I correct it, but this is the first time, so I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking for um, whether it actually works or not. And so with all zippers, especially in invisible, I got my zipper lube, and that just helps it to glide over. I was hoping that by using that, it would make it easier to zip. Okay, so there it is. Okay. I can feel it move just a little bit, but I think if I had this stabilized, I would be able to get it up, but I can't do it like this. So I am going to put the twill tape in and see how that works. All right. Even as I'm sitting here cutting the twill tape and pinning it on and sewing, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking this is not going to work because even though I'm eliminating the stretch of the sweatshirt, this sweatshirt is baggy on me. And so there's nothing to hold it in place while I zip it. But I am committed to carrying out the whole thing to prove myself either right or wrong. Right in my thoughts, wrong in my actions, I guess. So I'm sewing it in. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, it still doesn't want to. Let me see if I... Okay, I got it up there, but I had to press the side of my jacket into something before I can do it, which is a lot better than it was. But if you have any better ideas, let me know. Thanks.